This tech tutorial is relevant if you already have an existing email list. I'm going to show you a strategy on how you can send an email newsletter to your list, and as part of it, you can put a link in the email that if they click that link, they will automatically have certain action take place. In the specific use case I'm going to be showing you is I'm going to send an email newsletter, and as soon as somebody clicks that link, they will automatically be added to a waitlist. So they will be tagged as something. Now you can use that particular setup. It doesn't matter if you want to give them access to a course. You can give them add it to an email sequence. You can add it to any sort of automation or workflow with just one click through the email. This is a common feature that is available on ActiveCampaign and ConvertKit, but very few people understand that you can actually do this in System.io, and it works brilliantly. Let me share my screen and show you how it's done. So in the previous video, you saw me set up this entire waitlist, and I set up the automation rules under this page. And if you're just getting started, that's a good solution. That is what you should do. But if you are a little bit more advanced marketer and you want to actually get people to join your waitlist directly from your existing email list, then what you want to do is not set up the automation rules here. You actually are going to delete those. Now, in this case, I'm going to suggest to you that you disable it, not delete it, because after you actually open up the cart and it's no longer a waitlist and all that, you may want to switch it around and bring it back to here. So for now, I'm just going to disable it, and I'm going to go to the opt-in page, which is the thank you page instead, the opt-in thank you page. Here, I'm going to click on automation rules, add rule, and the trigger event is page visited, occurs when a person visits a selected page. Now I'm going to click again on add a tag, which is the waitlist, which is this one. And of course, I'm going to send an email. And the email is going to be affiliate startup community waitlist. There you go. Then I'm going to click on save rule. Now what I can do is I can grab this URL and I'm going to head over to emails and click on newsletter. Now I'm going to click on create, and I'm going to say affiliate interest or whatever the subject line is going to be, doesn't really matter. I'm just doing a demonstration, classic editor. I'm going to click into it, and then I'm going to say, if you would like to join the waitlist, you can do so with one click. Just click the button below. Click here to join the waitlist, like so. And then what's going to happen is that when I send this email to my list, whoever clicks on this, the automation rules are automatically going to take place. So when they click on it, they will end up on this particular thank you page immediately, because it will open in a new tab. And it will say, thanks, you're on the wait list. And that way, user experience is actually really good because they don't have to subscribe again. Another point I want to show you is that when you're on automation rules, page visited, you don't have to just do this. You can also use the other automation rules. You can remove a tag. You can, for example, enroll them in a specific course. You can add them to a community, enroll them in a bundle, add them to a pipeline. So you can do other use cases. For example, if you would like to schedule a time to speak or something like that, then click this link and send them to a calendar page. And then that page is tagged and so on and so forth. So there's a lot of different use cases that you can do, which are really unique. And that way you can really control your pipeline, your access levels, your automations, your workflows. And I recommend you do create the different workflows here to be able to create the page, right? Like you've got this page visited option, but you can create other fancy automations under workflows and rules as well, which will give you a lot more flexibility on the different automations you may want to choose to automate your marketing and sales process. Hope you found this video helpful. Somewhere around here, you'll see a much more extensive video about a bunch of other use cases very similar to this that I use in my own business if you need some inspiration. So it's going to be called Email Marketing, Everything You Need to Know from A to Z. And it really is going to show you how System.io has functionality, which is just as good as ConvertKit, ActiveCampaign, and so on. Hope you enjoyed this video. Check out this next video, and I'll see you.